Most people are looking for new ways to make money in 2025. But the truth is, most side hustles online are either scams or they pay you less than a cup of coffee. So today, let's talk about 7 side hustles that actually pay. These are realistic, beginner-friendly, and can make you between $500 and $2,000 a month without quitting your 9-to-5. Number 1. Freelance video editing for YouTubers. YouTube content is exploding, and every creator needs editors. Even small channels with 10 to 20,000 subscribers pay $30 to $100 per video. If you learn basic editing on CapCut or Premiere Pro, you can start on Upwork, Fiverr, or even Twitter, and find your first client within days. Once you get just 3 regular clients, you could already be making over $1,000 a month. Number 2. AI-powered content writing. AI didn't kill writing. It changed it. Brands now need writers who can use tools like ChatGPT or Jasper to create smart, SEO-friendly articles faster than ever. If you understand structure, tone, and storytelling, you can make serious money on platforms like Contra or Workello. Focus on high-paying niches like investing, tech, or productivity. Number 3. Social media automation for small businesses. In 2025, small brands don't want to post manually anymore. If you can learn tools like Metricool, Buffer, or Notion AI, you can manage their Instagram or TikTok schedules automatically. Charge $200 to $500 per brand, and even with 4 clients, you're running a $1,000 side hustle. Number 4. Digital product flipping. Forget dropshipping. This is the modern version. Buy resell rights to templates, ebooks, or Notion dashboards, and sell them on Etsy or Gumroad. You invest once and earn every month without touching inventory. It's digital real estate, and it works. Number 5. Faceless YouTube channels. Yes, exactly like this one. Faceless channels are dominating in 2025. You can pick a niche like finance, motivation, or tech reviews, and build everything with AI voices and stock footage. Once your videos start performing, you'll earn from ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. Number 6. Creating mini courses. If you're good at something, teach it. It could be Excel, Canva, budgeting, or time management. Create a small $20 to $50 course on Gumroad or Udemy, and each sale adds up over time. You're building an asset that pays even while you sleep. Number 7. Remote finance assistant. Small businesses are now hiring people who can handle invoices, budgets, and spreadsheets remotely. You don't need to be a professional accountant, just reliable and organized. Start on LinkedIn or Indeed, and you can easily earn $25 to $30 an hour. Most people waste years chasing the perfect side hustle, but the truth is, success doesn't come from finding a secret. It comes from sticking with one thing long enough to master it. Start small, stay consistent, and by the end of this year, you'll be miles ahead of most people still researching how to start. This is your channel name, helping you build real wealth, one smart decision at a time. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.